If you are looking for the best Burr grinder, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Porlex Mini Stainless Steel Coffee Grinder. While we stress that hand grinders should be recognized for what they are, good machines to use when electricity is not available rather than cheaper alternatives to electric Burr grinders, the Porlex was easily our favorite. Its grinding action is smooth and easy on the hand and wrist. And the grinder itself is durable and compact, it even stows away in the cylinder of an AeroPress if you are traveling. But remember, hand grinders can only make enough grounds for a cup or two of coffee at a time, and that can take 5 to 10 minutes of manual labor. Number 2. Baratza Virtuoso Plus Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. This grinder also received raving reviews from hundreds of coffee connoisseurs such as yourself. The Baratza Virtuoso Plus Conical Coffee Grinder is a close runner-up as the simpler, cheaper version of the Virtuoso. The Encore is voted best by other reviewing bodies, so it was a close one. But again, the above options are all considered as some of the best coffee grinders for home use, so any choice will be a good one. Overall, this is a nice coffee grinder that you can buy without any kind of hesitation. Number 3. Rancilio Rocky Espresso Coffee Grinder. The Rancilio Rocky is a commercial quality grinder designed for home use. Don't be shocked when your new machine arrives with coffee dust within it. Every model is factory tested with coffee to ensure they work perfectly. Like the Vario above, the Rocky grinder was built for the home coffee brewing fanatic who wants the perfect grinding companion and is not willing to sacrifice on quality. The difference, however, is that the Rocky is a workhorse and can handle more. It would fit in nicely in a large household or even a small office or cafe. Number 4. Baratza Vario Flat Burr Coffee Grinder. This gorgeous machine would not look out of place in a coffee shop, yet it was designed for the home. You'll find this grinder in the kitchens of home baristas who are serious about grinding and brewing perfect coffee. 230 repeatable settings mean you can grind for all brewing styles, and features such as the digital timer and programmable buttons make it easy to use once you've dialed in those perfect grind sizes. 230 repeatable and savable settings mean you can brew any style you want, from ultra fine to super coarse, you'll have it all. Number 5. Capresso 565.05 Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. This grinder has 4 major settings: extra fine, fine, medium, and coarse. And then, it has 4 sub-settings within each setting. Combine this feature with the 40mm conical steel burrs, the slow grind time, and the easy-to-remove upper burr for cleaning, and you have a fine home grinder that ticks many boxes. Hardened steel 40mm conical burrs and a nice low 450 RPM means the Infinity grinds at an astonishingly consistent level for its price. You can grind from ultra-fine to super coarse, meaning you can grind for all brewing styles, including Turk.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.